Unbelievable top ones, unbelievable soon-to-be attorneys. Let's try to answer this drill from commercial and taxation law. Happened in 2011 bar examination. In order to facilitate the processing of its application for a license from a government office, Corporation A found it necessary to pay the amount of 100,000 pesos as a bribe to the approving official. Is the 100,000 peso deductible from the gross income of Corporation A? On the other hand, is the 100,000 taxable income of the approving official? Explain your answers. Okay, before that top ones, you need to differentiate the two, which is mahiwagang issues and mahiwagang legal keywords. All you have to do is to pair it so that you would have your final derivative answers. Okay, top ones. What is or are your mahiwagang issues? But before the top ones, before you read the whole situation or paragraph, you need to cite and read the question which is found at the bottom of the situation or paragraph. Read it twice, okay? Read the question twice before you read the uh, whole paragraph or situation. Then that's the time you find your mahiwagang issues. So what is or are the issues here? Top ones. You have two. Whether or not, okay, whether or not the 100,000 pesos as a bribe, okay? So you have your 100,000 as a bribe, deductible from the gross income, okay? Which is paid by the corporation A. And the second one is whether or not the 100,000 received by the approving official is taxable. Okay, that is also a bribe. So you have those two. Okay, our answer would be top ones. Our answer would be okay. So since the amount of 100,000 pesos constitutes a bribe, it is not allowed as a deduction from gross income of corporation A. So that's the first answer. Okay, under section 34, under the NERC or National Internal Revenue Code. However, to the recipient government official, the same constitute a taxable income. Okay? All income from legal or illegal sources are taxable, absent any clear provision of law exempting the same. This is the reason why gross income had been defined to include income from whatever source derived. You'll find it in the section 32 of NERC. Illegally acquired income constitutes a realized income under the claim of right doctrine. Okay, you may read it also in the jurisprudence, Rutkin versus US 343 US 130. Okay, so you have two answers from your two issues, no and yes. No means because on the first issue, because it is contrary to morals, good customs, or public policy. And the other one is yes because it is taxable. Okay? Meron ka bang natutunan soon to be top 1 attorneys? Kindly like, share, and comment this video so that you would receive more drills and questions every single day. Okay, thank you very much and God bless, God bless, God bless.